Doing boxing exercise every day is one of the most powerful decisions you can make for your body and mind. Boxing is not just a sport. It is a full-body workout that combines strength, speed, endurance, coordination, and mental focus into one intense movement. When practiced daily, boxing becomes more than exercise. It becomes discipline. Boxing engages almost every muscle in the body. Each punch activates the shoulders, arms, chest, and back. The core stays tight to transfer power and maintain balance. The legs generate force and provide stability. This full body activation makes boxing extremely effective even in short sessions. Daily boxing improves cardiovascular health. Fast punches, constant movement, and footwork raise the heart rate quickly. This strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and increases stamina. Over time, breathing becomes more efficient and endurance improves. One of the biggest benefits of doing boxing every day is fat loss. Boxing is a high-intensity activity that burns a large number of calories. The combination of speed, power, and continuous movement keeps metabolism high. Even after the workout, the body continues burning calories. Boxing builds lean muscle. Repeated punching, resistance from the air or bag, and body movement strengthen muscles without excessive bulk. This leads to a toned, athletic physique. Daily boxing improves coordination and reflexes. Punching combinations, footwork, and defensive movement train the brain and body to work together. Reaction time improves, balance becomes sharper, and movement feels more controlled. Boxing is also excellent for core strength. Every punch starts from the core. Rotational movements strengthen the abs, obliques, and lower back. A strong core improves posture and protects the spine. Doing boxing exercise every day improves posture. Strong shoulders, upper back, and core muscles pull the body into proper alignment. This counteracts the negative effects of sitting and phone use. Boxing is one of the best stress relief exercises. Punching releases tension, frustration, and mental pressure. Physical exertion triggers endorphin release, which improves mood and reduces anxiety. Boxing helps clear the mind. Mental toughness is a key benefit of daily boxing. Boxing requires focus, control, and resilience. Training every day builds discipline, self-confidence, and mental strength. You learn to push through fatigue and discomfort. Boxing improves agility and speed. Quick movements train fast twitch muscle fibers. This improves athletic performance and overall movement efficiency. Daily boxing also improves balance. Constant shifting of weight, footwork, and stance control train stability. Better balance reduces injury risk and improves daily movement. Boxing enhances breathing control. Learning to breathe under intensity improves lung capacity and oxygen efficiency. Better breathing helps manage stress and endurance. Boxing is highly adaptable. You can do shadow boxing, heavy bag training, or basic combinations at home. No gym is required. This makes consistency easier. Doing boxing every day improves joint health when done with proper form. The shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees become stronger and more stable. Boxing also supports better sleep. Physical exhaustion combined with stress relief helps the body relax and recover at night. Daily boxing builds confidence. Feeling strong, fast, and capable changes how you see yourself. Confidence gained through physical training transfers into daily life. Boxing teaches focus. You must stay present and aware. This improves concentration and mental clarity. Boxing helps regulate hormones. Regular physical activity supports energy balance, mood stability, and recovery. Boxing is time efficient. Even 10 to 20 minutes daily produces results. This makes it suitable for busy lifestyles. Boxing encourages consistency. The variety of movement prevents boredom and keeps motivation high. Daily boxing improves body awareness. You learn how your body moves, reacts, and adapts. Boxing supports long-term health. Improved heart strength, muscle tone, and mental resilience contribute to overall well-being. Doing boxing every day is not about perfection. Some days are intense, some are light. What matters is showing up. Boxing transforms the body gradually. Fat reduces muscles, tone, posture improves, and energy increases. Boxing transforms the mind. Stress decreases, confidence rises, discipline strengthens. No equipment, no gym, just movement. Box every day. Build strength, build focus, build resilience.